is a memory location where you have to store the value, and that value is changes throughout the program execution. ମୁଁ यार गोटे एग्जांपल ଦେଇଥିଲି ଯେମିତି कि आमे ଯେତେବେଳେ फिल्म ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଯିବା ତ ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହବ ନା आमे फिल्म ପାଇଁ ଆମେ टिकट बुकिंग करबा हम ପାଇଁ सीट अलोकेट हैला हमर शो टाइम सरी गला तापर नेक्स्ट हमको କ'ଣ हबो नेक्स्ट शो ପାଇଁ आउ गोटे आउ लोक आसे सेठी रहिबे तो वेरिएबल इज लाइक दैट इट इज ए मेमोरी लोकेशन वेयर your value is changes throughout the program execution. Suppose if you are adding the two number, then you give 10 and 20, the number is added, then it giving you result. Again another person is passing 30 and 50, it is added, then it is giving you a result. The variable is like that, it stores the value and that value is changes throughout the program execution. While you are defining a variable, it can have alphabet, digit and underscore. A variable name can start with a alphabet and underscore only. When you are giving a variable name, हमें तला variable नाटा दबा सेटा alphabet रे start हवा. Suppose like when you define a variable, suppose one data type you have to give. When you are giving a variable, first we have to define a data type. मैं first use करीबा data type, then variable name. बुझियला मनीषा, रवानी, रश्मि?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
data type is what? Suppose int, then variable name, suppose var. Okay, so data type is int, variable name is var. So it is the way of declaring variable. Suppose मु जेतबेले गोटे variable define करबी, suppose character, मतलब जदि किसी letter एटा store करिवार अछि मु char define करबी, char na, then I have give a size. Here I have give a size suppose 50. Then for storing a name, I define a character na. So I cannot give as like student space name. When you define a variable, space is not applicable. The space is removed. Okay, the space is removed while you are defining a variable. If you require a space, then you have to use an underscore. Char student underscore then name. Okay, so underscore is used to define the, if you require a space, then you have to use underscore. Then your variable name should not start with any number. हमें तले variable टा define करिवा, variable टा कौनसी number रो मोर start हवानी. Suppose 9, इटा मु define करी परिबी नहीं. Okay? If you
Yes,
require,
sir.
if you want to start with any symbol, then you use underscore here. केवल हमें एठी underscore use करी परिबा. आउ कौनसी symbol एठी applicable नहीं use करिया पे. The next is what? A variable can have alphabet, digit and underscore. Variable can start with the alphabet, underscore only. It cannot start with a digit. No white space is allowed within the variable name. Variable name must not be any reservoir or keyword. जेमति कि हमें C program ने पढ़ले printf, scanf, stdio. So these are called as the keywords. the keywords is not applicable while you are defining a variable. Next point, just a minute. Next is what? Your data type. Data type specify the type of data that to be stored in a variable. ଯେମିତି କି ଆମେ ପାଣି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଣିବା ତ ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବଟଲ ଦରକାର ହୁଏ, ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ପରିବା ଆଣିବା ତା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାଗ ଦରକାର ହବ। ତ ସେଇ ଟାଇପର ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ सी प्रोग्राम रे कोनोसी वैल्यू स्टोर करिवा तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू डिफाइन ए डेटा टाइप. द डेटा टाइप स्पेसिफाई द टाइप ऑफ डेटा दैट टू स्टोर इन ए वेरिएबल. गोटे वेरिएबल रे हमें को प्रकार वैल्यू स्टोर करिवा सेति पय हमें डेटा टाइप डिफाइन करिवा. इट स्पेसिफाई द टाइप ऑफ डेटा दैट ए वेरिएबल कैन स्टोर सच एज इंटीजर, फ्लोटिंग एंड कैरेक्टर. द डेटा टाइप, what are the basic data type we are using like int, char, float, double. Derived data type, कौन derived data type यूज करबा? Derived data type माने जो डाटा टाइप गुडाक निजे कोनोसी वैल्यू माने से माने निजर कोनोसी अस्तित्व न थाए, so they are coming from the other data types like array. It doesn't contain the value of its own, it contain the address of the value. Suppose मु तम सांग मानकर विषय किसी जानिबी, so you know about your best friend, I don't know about them, so that is called as the what? Derived data type. It contains the address where your value is stored. Enumeration data type, it is called as the enum. Void data type, it called as the return type. So what are the basic data type we are using? Char is 1 byte, sort is 2 byte. तो क्यार भीतर हम साइंड क्यार रहिबो, अनसाइंड क्यार रहिबो, शॉर्ट रे 2 बाइट रहिबो, int 2 बाइट, शॉर्ट int is 2 byte, long int. Okay, so these are the data type we are using. Float storing the decimal point, किछि fractional value हमको स्टोर करिवार अछि, हमें float यूज करिवा. यदि decimal ला जदि हमें हाईएस्ट फिगर वैल्यू हमें स्टोर करिवा, so that you have to use a double. Then we are using a long double value, and these are the keywords that is present in a Java. Eta बुझियला data type टा?
Yes, sir.
मनीषा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कैरेक्टर रे हमें केमदी वैल्यू स्टोर करिवा? जेतेबेले हमें खाली लिखिबा char na, that means I am storing a single letter. केवल सिंगल लेटर हमें स्टोर करि परिबा. सिंगल लेटर जेतला हमें स्टोर करछे, हमें सिंगल कोटेशन यूज करूछे. जदि मते गोटे मल्टीपल वर्ड स्टोर करिवार अछि, char na, then I will store the 4. It is a character array. Suppose मते चारटा वैल्यू स्टोर करिवार अछि, मो पांचटा देबी, माने a b c d, but I will give a 5. कहना गोटे एठी नॉल वैल्यू इनविजिबली ऐड हुए ए जगह रे. नेक्स्ट जदि मो यूज करिबी char na, एठी मो डायरेक्ट सब वैल्यू स्टोर कर परिबी. Okay, so I am storing as much as character, jette character चाहिए एटा स्टोर कर परिबी. So it is called as the character array. This is called as the string array. It is called as the string array value. Okay, that is the way of declaration of this value. बुझेला दिटा difference?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then literals. Literals are the data that is used to store the fixed set of value. There are lot of literals is present, like we are using string literal, integer literal. The integer literal means constant. हमें दीटा गोटे वैल्यू स्टोर करछे, हमें कहबा गोटे वेरिएबल आ गोटे होची कांस्टेंट. Variable means the value is always changes. Constant means the value is never changes. Like we can say pi is a constant, the value is never changes. And integer is a numeric literal without any fractional or exponential part. माने आदरे कोनोसी fractional value रहिबनी, एटा कहजिबो हमर integer. जेमति कि हमें 1 2 3 4 5 डिफाइन करिबा, that is a string literal. जमे यूज करिबा int a suppose 10, एटा हमार integer literal. माने जो वेरिएबल हमें जो वैल्यूटा स्टोर करिबा सेटा हमको लिटरल बोली हमें ताको कहबा. Similar way, we are using floating point literal. A floating point literal is a numeric literal that has either a fractional form or exponent form. Minus 2.0, 0.000234 means it is called the fractional value. Fractional value means which is storing a decimal point. Okay, it is called the fractional value which contain a decimal. A character literal is created or enclosing in a single character. आमे जति character store करिवा, जेमति कि मोठी एग्जांपल देखौतली, जेतला आमे कोनोसे character value रखिवा सेरा single quotation में पास हबो. जदि मो combination of character टा store करिवि तले एटा double quotation में store हबो. बुझिला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it is necessary to use the character that cannot be typed or has special meaning. Slash b is a backspace, slash f is called as a form feed, slash n is called as a new line, slash r is called as a return, slash t is called as the tab space, slash v is called as the vertical tab, double slash is called as the backslash. Okay, so it is called as the escape sequence. Okay, so escape sequence, you can say like these are the character that we are using which having a special character, special meaning. Suppose if I use slash n, okay, if you have the note copy, then note it down. If you want to move to the next line, new line, slash n is present. Slash n for new line. If you want to give 8 space character, slash t is used. Slash t is used for 8 space character, slash t. If you are using slash b for backspace. But normally in your program this two symbol is used, /n is used and your /t is used. So these are the two symbol it is used for what? To move to the new line, and /t is used for tab space character. Basically এই দুইটা সিম্বল আমি ইউজ করিবা। String literal. String literal is a sequence of character enclosed within the double quotation mark. If you want to pass a single character, then single quotation is used. माने मुझे जो गोटे character pass करी single quotation use करी, यदि मतलब more than one character मतलब show करी वाला अच्छे, मैं double quotation इटी use करी। Constant, if you want to define a variable whose value cannot be changed, you can use the constant keyword. The constant is a keyword which is used and that value is never changes. For defining a constant, जदि मु कोनोसी value को केबे change करिबा को चाहुनी, ताले मते constant const keyword use करिया को पड़िबो। const is a keyword which is used for defining a constant. Clear? बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I move to the next part. Okay, so it is the two way to display any data. Then the explanation is what? All how this program is working. All valid C program must contain in the main method. Main method is called as the entry point of your program, or it is called as the heart of your program. The code execution begins with main method, and printf is a library function to show any data. देखो मेन मेथड भीतर आमे जहाँ भी प्रोग्राम सब लिखुचे, जहाँ भी स्टेटमेंट आमे लिखुचे, तो मन रखिबा एठी हमर कोन यूज करा होची ना सेमीकोलन यूज करा जाउची. As normally when you write the English statement, then you have to use what? Full stop. But here in a programming concept, full stop is not required. So here semicolon is required to end the statement. Full stop is not required to ending a statement. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if you want to show the integer value, मते जदि integer value टाको show करिवार अछि, then how you have to show? If I want to show the integer value, then what to write? Void main int a suppose int num गोटे value नेली int num is equals to 5. Then if I want to display this integer value, printf percentile d, sorry, I have to write the number is percentile d then num. नेट स्लो ହେଇଗଲା ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ see there the number is 5 मते इंटीजर वैल्यू जदि शो करिवार अछि बा डिस्प्ले करिवार अछि स्क्रीन रे ताले मु एठी कोन यूज करिवि ना एठी यूज करले int num is equals to 5 the number is percentile d then num बुझियला मनीषा रश्मि
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is for display the numeric data that we are using here. जोरा WhatsApp रे पठाउची that you have to note it down तो note करी न हो ने notes अछि एटा note भी कर देले तुमको better रहइबो then how you have to show the floating point value fractional value मु केमती show करिवि so for showing the fractional value see there for storing the fractional value of float number 1 13.5 double number 2 12.4 तो printf number 1 printf number 2 सर देखो floating point शो करिया पे percentile f यूज होला and double value यूज शो करिया पे मु percentage lf यूज करा होला for storing the floating point value percentile f is used for storing the double value percentile lf is used देखो मु 13.5 शो करे 13.50 12.4 clear बुझ पाइलो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so this program you run it तुम्हारा ए जो साइड रे जाई कि रन करिवो जदि किछि एरर आसला कि किछि डाउट रहला यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ मी तुम्हारा एग्जाम केबे अछि रश्मि
सर सेमिस्टर सर मार्च 15 पर रहेगा
अच्छा
किसी से नोटिस आसन कहउतले सर मार्च 15 पर
ओके तो percentile f is used to show float value and percentile LF is used to show double value. Okay. Okay, so next part I will cover in the next class. Okay, Saturday दिन एटा मैं cover करिए print characters. Okay. चलो, good night. Next class ready.
थैंक यू सर।